So, we've got leaked case images for the foldable iPhone Ultra, and they just confirmed basically everything. Apple has started sending specs to accessory manufacturers, and those manufacturers, not great at keeping secrets. This is the clearest look we've had so far. Let's get into it. First things first, the iPhone Ultra is not a traditional foldable. Forget the Galaxy Z Fold style, tall and narrow. This thing folds horizontally. When it's open, it's wide and short, almost like a mini iPad. Think Huawei Pura X Max energy. On the back, there are two cameras sitting across a slim camera island, very similar to what we saw on the iPhone Air. The leaked case images confirm MagSafe support on the rear, which was expected, but now it's locked in. Because of the wide form factor, there simply isn't room for Face ID, so Apple is going with a side-mounted Touch ID button instead. Also spotted on the leaks, two buttons sitting at the top of the phone, positioned right under your right-hand fingers when you're using it unfolded. Interesting placement. Now, the case images show the internal main display without a camera cutout, but don't read too much into that. Reports have confirmed there will be a punch hole camera on the inner display. Apple actually tried to go with an under-display camera, but couldn't get the technology ready in time, so punch hole it is. Good moment to flash between case images and earlier renders to show how accurate the leaks have been. And here's why this all matters beyond just Apple. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 is also on the way, the wide format one that got renamed to just Fold 8. So you're about to have multiple major manufacturers going all in on this wider horizontal foldable form factor at the same time. Early responses from potential customers are looking promising. There are some skeptics, sure, but they're in the minority. The momentum is real. Every single time Apple has entered a new product category, they've pushed it forward. Even the Vision Pro, discontinued now, forced every other manufacturer to immediately start working on mixed reality headsets. Apple's involvement changes the game, whatever you think of the product itself. Personally, I'm not fully sold on the design yet, but what I am watching closely is the display crease. That's been the single biggest reason Apple held off on making a foldable for so long. How they handle it will tell us everything about whether this thing is actually ready. So, to wrap it up, leaked case images just confirmed the iPhone Ultra's wide folding design, two rear cameras, MagSafe, side Touch ID, two top buttons, and a punch hole on the inner display. Previous leaks were accurate. Apple is sending specs to manufacturers. This thing is coming. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you buying into the wide foldable era, or are you waiting to see how that crease looks? Like the video if this helped, subscribe so you don't miss the next leak drop, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.